Hello bachon, welcome to Richa Ma'am's class. In today's class we are going to do addition and subtraction of fractions. Okay, but what we did in the last class? We did the comparison between decimals, percentage and fraction, right? So before starting this, revise this thing. For comparison of fraction and for addition and subtraction, one rule is common. What is that rule? Always check denominator. It is the first rule. Okay, so whenever you are going to add or subtract the fraction, always check the denominator. Second thing, make denominator equal if it is not. Just these two simple rules for addition and subtraction. Clear? So let's take some example. The first question is 2 upon 3 plus 5 upon 3. What I told you, what you need to check first? Denominator. Denominators are equal or not? Yes. So what we do? We just copy the denominator. Don't do any addition or subtraction in the denominator. We always do that thing in the numerator. Clear? So 2 plus 5 give you 7. So my answer is 7 upon 3. Clear? The next is 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. Again, denominators are same. So you will copy the denominator. 1 plus 1, 2. But as you can see, 2 and 4 both are divisible by 2. So we divide them. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So my answer is 1 upon 2. Doing this thing is very important. If you will not complete your answer till here, you will not be considered as the correct answer. Okay, that you have not given any correct answer after this question. Okay, now the third one. 3 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5. Again the denominators are same. 5. 3 plus 2, 5. Both are divisible by 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. So your answer is 1 because the denominator 1 doesn't have any value in the denominator. Okay. Now the next one. Here a little bit change. Where you have two different denominators. Now 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4. Now you need to take the help of equivalent fraction. Who will help you? Equivalent fraction. This is your friend for this. Okay. Now here the denominator is 4. Can you make this 2 into 4? Can you convert this 2 into 4? How? By multiplying. For the equivalent fraction, what we do? We always do the multiplication. So, we will multiply 2 in the denominator and 2 in the numerator. Only then this will be the equivalent fraction of 1 upon 2. Right? So, this will become 2 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. This will give you 3 upon 4. Clear? One more question. 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 6. How can you convert 3 into 6? By multiplying 2. Correct? So what we do? Multiply 2 in the denominator, multiply 2 in the numerator. So what will you get? 2 upon 6 plus 1 upon 6. 2 plus 1, 3. So that means 3 upon 6. But again, you can see the 3 and 6 both are divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So what is my answer? 1 upon 2. My answer is not 3 upon 6. It is 1 upon 2. Clear? So that's why simplification is very important. Okay? Now let's take one more example. 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3. Now 2 and 3 both are prime numbers. You can't divide 2 by 3 or 3 by 2. So in such type of questions, what you need to do, you will just do the cross multiplication. That means if here is 3, I will multiply 3 here and 3 here, plus 1 upon 3, 2 here and 2 here. Okay, so this will become 3 upon 6 plus 2 upon 6. See, your denominator is equal. Now you can add 5 upon 6. Do you want some more example like this? Okay, see, 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 5. Okay, now again 3 and 5 both are prime numbers. They can't come in each other's table. So we do the cross multiplication. So 5 here plus 2 upon 5. We will multiply 3 here and 3. Whatever number you are using for multiplication, always remember to multiply in the numerator also. So this will become 5 upon 15 plus 6 upon 15. 3 twos are 6. So this will give you 11 upon 15. 11 and 5. Can you divide them? No, 11 is a prime number. So my answer is 11 upon 15. Okay. Now let's do some question for the subtraction. The first question is one upon 2 minus 1 upon 4. Again, you can see both have different denominators. So what we need to do? We need to make them same. So we multiply 2 here and 2 here. So what will you get? 2 upon 4 minus 1 upon 4. Again, denominators are same. Just copy the denominator first. 2 minus 1, 1. So your answer is 1 upon 4. Clear? Second question is 2 upon 7 minus 1 upon 14. Clear? So 7 twos are 14. So what we do? We will use the equivalent fraction. Multiply with 2. Now 2 twos are 4. 4 upon 14 minus 1 upon 14. Again, the denominators are same. Copy the denominator. 4 minus 1, 3. So my answer is 3 upon 14. Clear? Now let's take some more example. 5 upon 3 minus 7 upon 2. Now 3 and 2 both are prime numbers. So what we do? We do the cross multiplication. Correct? So multiply 2 here, multiply 2 here, minus 7 upon 2. Multiply 3 here, multiply 3 here. 5 twos are 10 upon 6 minus 7 threes are 21 upon 6. Now the denominators are same. Write the denominator. 10 minus 21. When you subtract 10 minus 21, what will you get? You will get 11, but it is a negative because 21 is bigger than 10. Rules are same. If you are subtracting 10 from 21 and you are seeing that 21 is bigger and it is negative, your answer will be negative. So your answer is minus 11 upon 6. Clear? So this is the A part. Now let's take one more question. 2 upon 5 minus 1 upon 3. Okay. Now again, both are prime numbers. Do the cross multiplication. So 2 upon 5 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 minus 1 upon 3. Which number you will use for multiplication? 5, right? So 6 upon 15 minus 5 upon 15. Now both have the denominator 15. 15 will come here. 6 minus 5 will give you 1 upon 15. Clear? This is the way of adding and subtracting the fraction numbers. I'll give you some more examples. Sometimes your question may come in this form, where you have numbers like this in the parts. So this is like, this one is whole. This is 1 upon 2. Again 1 upon 2. And now you have the smaller parts like this. 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 4. Now the question will ask, what is the sum of this? So what will you do? 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4. Now you can see that this one has 2 in the denominator and these two have 4 in the denominator. So what we need to do? First of all, simplify this one and simplify this one. 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. Denominator will same. So 1 plus 1, 2. Plus 4 is the denominator. 1 plus 1, 2. Got it? Now what you can do? You can do the equivalent fraction thing to make the denominator equal. Only then you can add them. So 2 multiplied by 2 will give you 4 upon 4 plus 2 upon 4. Clear? Now 4 is the denominator. 4 plus 2, 6. Now you can simplify it. 2 3s are 6. 2 2s are 4. So what is your answer? 3 upon 2. Clear? So tomorrow we are going to discuss multiplication and division of fractions. Be ready for that. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe it. Okay? And go through the addition and subtraction part from your book also. If you have any problem in any question, comment me in that question and I will help you. Then till then, take care.